Welcome back to my channel. I have a bunch of new LA colors and other fun finds from the Dollar Tree, beauty related. So we're gonna get started. I was super excited to share this stuff with you guys, and one of the first items I grabbed is the Bolero Coconut Wild Berries Body Souffle After Shower Cream. I already know that I like their after shower cream, and I'm assuming this is going to be the same thing. And I grabbed just this one. They had like a rose pear or something pear, but I grabbed this one, and let's take a quick smell. It smells really good and sweet. The next items are repurchases, but they're beauty related, and just so you know, I am doing the Dollar Tree Makeup Challenge. This is one of the reasons why I went ahead and picked up these items. And I was excited to find some more items that I can use for the Dollar Tree Makeup Challenge. I already have a lot of Dollar Tree makeup, but I kind of wanted to grab some new items to work in that video. So we found them today. I did grab the LA Colors Pressed Powder in Nude. So that's like the lightest shade they have, because I needed a powder foundation kind of thing for that video. And this is a repeat purchase too, and it's in the shade Tan. As a mirror also, it's in the shade Tan. And this makes a perfect bronzer contour for fair skin tones. Really good. Also, I like that their quality of pressed powders, and all the powders they have that I've ever tried actually. So I was happy to find both shades of those that I needed. And more, this is absolutely, the rest of the LA Colors items are brand new to me. And this is their beauty pot, 3 pops of color in 1 pot. And I thought this was a really cute concept. I saw 3 different ones of these to choose from. This is Glam, and I chose this one because, now these are all shimmery shades, but it has the dark plum in there, and I thought we could do the dark plum in the outer corner in the crease area, lower lash line, and pair it with 1 shade, you know, on the lid. I thought this was very cute. And if you see here on the side, it has like a lid, and it's gonna, you know, come off the bottom here and attach to the top. And I thought, because this is so cute and compact, that this is perfect for like travel and stuff. This is really cute. I wish that the shades all wasn't shimmery though. That's my biggest complaint. And there's this triangle-y kind of tribal indentation embossed in the shadows, so that's kind of neat too. It's really cute. And I normally would not pick up these face mist from LA Colors. I would, however, pick up a big size because I do like their setting spray. I've tried it in the past, but these are hydrating face mist, and I found these today in 3 different scents, so I picked them all up to try. I have cucumber here, and they say they're soothing moisture, preps skin for makeup, and dewy finish. And it's a cucumber scent, of course, and it says it's an instant skin refresher. And I actually really enjoy using sprays, mist, before I apply any kind of makeup. Now, you do get 0.20 fluid ounces. That's only 6 milliliters. A very small amount of product, but it is worth $1. I'm sure this will work out great. So I got cucumber. Also, very, very cute packaging on these, might I add. I picked up rose. They all say the same thing. And the last scent I found is coconut vanilla. I had to grab them all. So I was super excited to share the facial mist with you guys, that little beauty pot, and repurchased powders. The next items are nail polishes, and I was just hoping and praying that I'd find these at my Dollar Tree because I love nail polish. I have over 800 nail polishes, as you all are most well aware of if you've watched my nail polish video collection. But I did find the Flower Beauty polishes there. They only had a brown shade there and this clear coat, but this is the quick drying top coat. Yeah, quick dry top coat. And I believe these were not cheap at Walmart when they were available there, but for $1 I will definitely pick it up and give it a try. So I'm excited about that. And then they did have the Julie G nail polishes. They come in a 2-pack like this. Very cute little double packaging. What's to not to love about that? 2 polishes for $1. So I picked up 4 of these. So I got 8 Julie G nail polishes for $4. I really had to have this shade here. It's absolutely stunning. It reminds me of Pacific from Sally Hansen and Cabana Boy. And I really do love the Julie G polishes, like I said. So I already have several of these in my collection. Not the ones that I bought today, of course. I made sure to grab packs that I didn't already own. This is a shimmery kind of orangey red shade. The next double pack looks like this. Sleigh Ride. It's a shimmery, sparkly blue, and I know this is from like a Christmas collection. Obviously, I have a few of those. And this says it's a textured nail polish. A few coats of top coat will probably take care of that. This one is called Mermaid's Tail. Or, yes. And it reminds me of Firefly from Jessie's Girl, which Jessie Girl makes the Julie G polishes. And I got rid of that nail polish for some reason or other. So I'm glad to have one that kind of looks similar to that back. Let's see. The next pack also has a blue one in it. And it's called Brady Bear. Oh, actually, I think, yeah. It says Brady Bear, which I believe her dog's name is Brady. I believe. It's very beautiful shimmery blue. This one, Pinup Girl. Very pretty pink. Very pink. I did pick up 4 different blue shades. And yes, they are different. They may look a little similar on camera. And I have 2 more to share. One of them busted on this packaging. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And so I got this. I had to have this green shade here. And it's called Sour Apple. How gorgeous. I love green and blues. And then in that other one in the pack is Passion. It's like a beautiful shimmery purple. I may paint my nails this next. This is Sally Hansen's Dream Sequins. And it's been sponged on. It's very beautiful glittery polish. Yeah, Passion. Very beautiful. So this is my Julie G nail polish haul. How beautiful. $4. And typically $4 is the price of one. So $4 for 8 Julie G polishes. There was so many to choose from, but I literally went through them all and only picked out the pairs that I knew that I would actually wear the shades. So that is all the awesome new beauty finds I found at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for Dollar Tree Makeup Challenge. I thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. You guys, check that description box for additional Dollar Tree links.